Hi guys, welcome back to Zarife. So this is gonna be a quick one. So we know CLO3d, which is a sister company to Marvelous Designer, they have a wonderful update for us to keep us engaged in this quarantine period. So many countries are on lockdown, and this brings me to ask, I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're doing the right things, following the laws that has been laid down for you to stay away from the virus roaming about. So back to the news. So from the recent updates, CLO3d has given us a competition, and this competition is open till the April 30th 2020. So the theme of this creative competition is 3D fashion tech. And what is at stake? So the first prize is $2,300, which will be awarded to 2 people, and the second prize is $1,500, which will be awarded to 4 people. That is best work award, and the third one is design award, which will be awarded to 4 people, and that is $700. So in all, they're expected to have about 10 winners, so you can be lucky to be part of the winning team. You just get designing right now and join this amazing competition. So CLO3d is partnering with Korea Textile Trade Association to bring this competition to us, and this is not the first one. This is actually their second competition. So you might be asking, how can you apply? So for those looking for link on how to apply for this competition, link will be in the description. So when you follow the link in the description, you'll find out that this competition is $25 for registration, and you have to download the form first, fill out the form, then scan the form back onto your computers and send it, like upload it to the website. Then you can start your registration. Then this registration cannot be validated if you haven't paid your $25 registration fee. So there's an account details you're going to find in the link that I posted in the description. Follow that link, you're going to see this page I'm on right now, and you upload your document in the section that says choose files. Once you upload your document, and you have to be sure that you have paid your $25 fee. So don't forget, the fee must be remitted with your name and your school or your company. And this competition is not just for students, it's open to the public. So if you're a company, if you're a student, it's just open to you. Anybody is free to try out. So let's get designing now and just have fun with this as we just stay indoors and get through this moment together. So thank you so much CLO3d, thank you so much Korea Textile for bringing this competition to our doorstep, and good luck to everyone designing. So don't forget to follow the steps stated in the website and make sure everything is followed from A to Z so that you will not make any mistake and not be part of the competition. So that's it for this one, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Details for this competition will be in the description. The link will be in the description below. And till I come your way again with another video, bye.